Look like I'm back one more again, y'all. Look like I'm back one more again on this Sunday night before I really get my chillax on to end this Sunday. I wear Sean John's glasses. Um, yeah, I don't wear them that often. You know, you just say I wear these things like I wear sunshades. I don't wear them that often. Unless I'm reading something real tiny. Y'all, stuff is very tiny to read these days. Y'all notice that? Stuff is very, very tiny to read these days. Like they're trying to make all of us go blind. Anybody agree? I mean, really. Everything is tiny. Everything. So if you either, if you don't wear glasses, honey, you're going to need some when you get finished reading all the tiny stuff, labels they got on everything these days. Tiny labels on everything. But anyway, in any hill, y'all, I got these glasses on tonight because I'm about to talk about content creator, which she wear glasses almost all the time. But yeah, I'm wearing them because, hey, I'm reacting to her video. Can y'all see me good enough? Can y'all see me? Hold up, y'all. Sorry about that. But, yeah. Can y'all see me okay? Is this better? How about this? This better? Because this how close she seems like she is when she on camera. Tweety tweet tweet tweety 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 bird, baby. Tweet tweet. Tweety bird. I think y'all all know who Tweety bird is. The one that wear glasses. She do a lot of mukbangs. Yeah, her. I happened to go past one of her scroll, I'm scrolling YouTube streets, and I ran into one of her videos. I think from this morning.
Oh, so he must know something. 2017 now.
Who got 20?
Eagles, but it was 20 to nothing. Now we came back, we got 17.
What I tell you? I told you tables can turn, baby.
Keep it up, baby.
Don't give up that faith, baby. Tables can turn. Talking about that Eagles Cowboy game tonight, y'all. We Cowboy fans over here. I don't know how many Cowboy fans got out there, but we're Cowboy fans over here. Over here. But yeah, I'm representing her in these glasses tonight. Here she go. Honey, I saw her video this morning. I couldn't believe what I was looking at, y'all. This woman was sitting up there proudly, y'all. I mean, proudly. Just as proud as can be. She was doing a mukbang. She grabbed a bowl of Cheerios, front and center. Front and center. Cheerios, a bowl of Cheerios with milk. What else she had? Broccoli. I think she had cheese eggs. Cheese and garlic, cheese and garlic bread. That thick bread. Ain't nothing wrong with a little garlic toast. And bacon. The broccoli and the Cheerios alone. No, the broccoli, the Cheerios, and the cheese. Let me say that again. Broccoli, Cheerios, and cheese. You put all those little ingredients right there together in your belly, you asking for a darn explosion. Yes, you're asking for an explosion in your tummy, and they ain't the only place the explosion's gonna be coming from. When you fly to that doggone toilet after you ate that meal this morning, this a.m. I mean, y'all, I'm serious. I have never seen nobody eat a bowl of cereal with broccoli and cheese involved. Now, I understand the eggs and the bacon. I'll let the garlic toast slide if she ain't had cheese on top of that. On the garlic toast. She had cheese on almost everything. That's a lot of gassy situation going on there. I know I can't tell her what to eat. She can't tell me what to eat. I can't tell nobody what to eat. But I do know when somebody's about to brew a fire in their doggone gut. I can tell you that. I have a gut myself. I know what I would put in this gut and what I won't all at once. All mixed in there together. Some things you just don't mix together. Catch my drift, girl? Huh, Tweety? You catch my drift? But, okay. This is not quite the only strange meal that you eat together. One time you had some nachos, nacho chips, scrambled eggs, cheese on top of that. I think you put mixed vegetables on top of that. So what is it, girl? Do anything go over there? Anything goes concerning your belly, concerning your eating habits? Anything go? Anything goes. That's what it is. Oh, okay. Okay, Tweety. We gonna say anything goes with that gut of yours. Because you throw all kinds of things down the hatch at one time. I mean, like I said, you're a grown woman, honey. You eat what you want to eat. You eat a pile of mess if you want to. That's your choice. Not mine. Not nobody else's. And that's your gut. And that's your butt. That's going to be sitting on that darn toilet. And pain and Lord knows what else. I would not mix those ingredients up together, girl. I guess that's what you like. That's what you're used to. And then something hit me earlier today. Can y'all see me okay? Something hit me earlier today and said, oh, that's why. That is why homegirl eats like she do. Y'all don't pay me no mind. I'm crazy, y'all. Y'all know I'm crazy. But anyhow, we all got a little crazy side. But some people you better take very serious when they tell you they crazy. Especially if they tell you they crazy the first time. Take heed on that thing, baby. Take heed on that darn thing. You heard me? Take heed on it. You're going to want to take heed on it. But, yeah, something hit me, y'all. And I say, she eat awfully funny. She eat a lot of weird stuff. A whole lot of weird stuff. And the guy, what was his name, Benji? Yeah, Benji, he was talking about how she ate, funny stuff, and she's so proud of it and be excited about it and all that kind of stuff, which I agree with him. She'd be very excited and hyped and like a kid, honey, in a candy store when she ready to sit down to all that mismatched food. I mean, I know you got to eat something, but what a taste bud you got, girl. And something anyway, that little thing that darned on me was that, yeah, I don't mean no harm. And talking about when you was homeless, I mean no harm whatsoever. Because I've seen a lot of homeless people in my life. My lifetime, I've helped a lot of homeless people in my lifetime, baby. Without a doubt. I've given to homeless people like nobody's business, because there ain't nobody's business but mine's and the Lord. When God lays it on my heart to give to somebody out there, out and about in them streets, homeless or whatever, or I give it from the kindness of my heart. That's the kind of person I am. I give from the kindness of my heart because I know the Lord want me to do so. If he asks me not to do so, if he don't lay it on my heart, then I know it's not meant for me to, give somebody this or give this particular person that. I have to be led to do so. But what I'm trying to say here, girl, when you was homeless, you was sleeping by a dumpster. You told everybody that in your videos, whatever. I don't know how many you said it in, but you said it. You said you was sleeping by a dumpster because you was trying to stay warm at night. Excuse me, allegedly. You say you was trying to stay warm. So you was cuddled up to this dumpster. A dumpster, or whatever, wherever. You said you used to cuddle up with a dumpster to keep you warm. But that ain't all you did with that dumpster. I think that's exactly why you eat the way you eat. Why you eat all these funny and strange foods together. You ate out of the dumpster. Allegedly. You ate out of them dumpsters because you had to eat. You say you was homeless. You put it out there, not me. You put it out there in the YouTube streets. You say you was homeless. And you say you cuddled up to a dumpster. You say you cuddled up to a dumpster. There go that hand, something out your hand, girl. You can't control that hand, girl. You gotta take the other hand, honey, and tell that other hand to go, be still. Get down, get down. You were eating out of a dumpster, my dear. That's why you eat so funny and so strange to me. and you don't quite put the right things with the right things when you eat. Not to me, you don't. And I think some old people think the same way, because I've seen it in your comments, the comment sections. But at least you do eat. At least you do eat. Cause girl, you eat some funny stuff. You eat some strange looking stuff. I'd be like, what is that? What is that? What is that? And you need to do something about your camera, because your food be so bright and light on, the light be so bright on your plate, you can barely see the food. We can barely see the food because the light is too bright. You need to dim the light. Something need to be sharp or toned down, something. I guess one day you'll figure that out. You're a YouTuber. You'll figure it out. What else? But anyway, yeah, you got to watch the certain things you put in your food, for certain foods you put in your mouth at one time, at one setting, because you might make an onset or something to go wrong in your stomach, the gastrointestines or something, and you might have to be rushed to the hospital or whatever. God forbid that to happen. But I'm just saying, you're not a young woman, honey. Neither am I. I'm an older woman now. And we do have to watch what we eat, how we eat. But my goodness, a bowl of Cheerios with broccoli, cheese. Like I said, I excuse the garlic bread, but not the cheese, and the bacon. You had a lot of little combinations going on, but I see now you can't help yourself. You was 10 years homeless, so you probably was eating all kinds of funny stuff out there, honey, on them streets. All kinds of strange stuff, whatever you can get your hands on. But yeah, I just, that light came on in my head today about why you eat the way you eat, the things you eat at one time, and you say, y'all, this is what I like. This is what I like because that's what you're used to. And girl, Tweet, do you see me, Tweet? Can you see me? Tweet. Girl, I see you almost, well, if the story was true you was telling us about this guy in the hallway or something, you coming up the stairs or whatever, and the guy was asking you what was that on your face and all this kind of stuff. What's wrong with your face or whatever. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to cut through all that. The whole thing, I believe, was a lie. I believe you made it all up just to have something to talk about. But anyway, and then in hell, that's your business. And you talk as if the fella was trying to hit on you, girl. Now, Tweety, is that the truth, girl? You think that fella was trying to hit on you, girl? And if so, why you didn't give him a chance, girl? You know you ain't got no man around. You know honey. God said men is not meant to be alone, honey. And that go for a woman too. Didn't you know that? You could have had you a boo. You could have had you a boo. You let him get away. You let him get away, girl. That might have been your only chance. Because you be walking around in an apartment looking all strange and everything, girl. And you barely ever smile. When you do call yourself smiling, you give us one of these here. You give us a half a smile. And then that serious stone face come right back. Yeah. You be sitting there like a stone face, honey. You need a man, girl. You probably need yourself a man. I think you'll be more happier, less tensed. But you let him get away. If this all you was telling us was the truth about this fella, you could tell what he was up to. You can tell what he was leading to. Is it all a story? Because I believe you are a storyteller. Mm-hmm. Tell a lot of stories. And when I say stories, I say lies. I believe you tell a lot of lies. Allegedly. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I'm going to say this before I go. Do y'all ever look at Netflix and watch a series called The Watcher? Series called The Watcher. It's good. I think they have 7 series, I believe. 7 series or the 7 episodes? I think it's 7 series. It's called The Watcher. If you got Netflix, check it out. I have a Fire Stick over here, y'all. Excuse me, I got about 4 or 5 Fire Sticks over here in this house on all the TVs in the house. And honey, when I tell you, I see movies all over the world, 24/7, 365 days. Yeah. So, yeah, I see all kinds of movies from all over the world. That's why I don't get enough sleep. I be up watching a whole lot of things, me and my hubby sometimes. Sometimes I be watching things by myself, and sometimes he might be watching things by himself. I might be asleep, and when I'm watching things by myself, sometimes he's probably asleep or whatever. Mm-hmm. But, yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I think I said everything I wanted to say. But, yeah, Tweety, if you was telling the truth, girl, you shouldn't have missed on that opportunity. You should have spoke to the man real nicely and had a little conversation with him, exchanged numbers or whatever. It's life. And I'm going to tell you 2 things right here, and I'm going to be gone. You either get busy living or you get busy dying in this world, in this life. It's just the way it is. Until my next video, y'all. Bye-bye for now.